flood control, water storage, and irrigation for the agricultural sector. These are the key benefits of the Union Water Impounding Dam in Barangay Union and Carcadir, Claveria, Cagayan. The project, initiated under the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., was completed in just 14 months.
Itong project po na ito, nagsimula ito sa termino ko, natapos din sa termino ko. Ibig sabihin na patunayan natin na maaring gumawa ng magandang flood control na effective. Basta't maayos ang pagpagawa, maayos ang disenyo, maayos ang implementasyon.
The dam is equipped with a dike and drainage system to store and regulate water levels, helping prevent flooding during heavy rains. Slow protection structures were also built, providing a stable waterway that supplies irrigation to about 300 hectares of farmland, while also preventing soil erosion.
Mahigit sa 1,000 magsasaka at 7 barangay ang makikinabang dito sa proyektong ito. Kaya alam naman po namin na hindi naman po madali ang buhay ng ating mga magsasaka. At kaya't lahat ng suporta na kaya namin bigay, binibigay natin.
President Marcos also inspected the Camalaniugan Bridge in Cagayan Province, which spans 1,580 meters. From the previous 1-hour travel time, the bridge will cut travel time between Camalaniugan and the western part of Apari to just 20 minutes, reducing both journey time and transportation costs. It is expected to open in February next year, alongside the construction of 300 farm-to-market roads by 2026. According to the president, the government has already drafted a national infrastructure plan, but will still consult with local authorities.
Hindi lang yung kagaya ng dati na palakasan lang kung saan napupuntang farm-to-market road na hindi naman nakakatulong sa ating mga magsasaka. Kaya ito inayos na natin, ginawan natin ang sistema para lahat ng ilalagay nating farm-to-market road ay makakatulong sa mabilis na pagdala ng inyong ani sa ating mga palengke.
The president assured continued government support to Filipino farmers. The administration is studying the provision of $10,000 in financial assistance for each farmer who sold their rice at depressed prices. The National Food Authority will expand its rice procurement operations, while the government will provide subsidies for fertilizers, seeds, machinery, and storage facilities.
Ang ninanais talaga natin ay hindi na tayo mag-import. O kung mag-import tayo, kakaunti na lang. Makikita natin ay magiging mas maayos, kontrolado na natin. Hindi na natin inaalala kung ano yung presyo sa international. Basta kung ano yung presyo na gusto natin, yun ang ilalagay natin.
President Marcos paid tribute to farmers, fisherfolk, and all those working in the agricultural sector.
Ito po ay aming ginagawa para tulungan siyempre ang ating mga magsasaka, unang-una, dahil ang mga kuminsan ay hindi binabati at hindi kinikilala ng iba. Ngunit ang kayong mga magsasaka ay talagang kayo ang inaasahan namin dahil kayo ang nagpapakain at nagbubuhay sa lahat ng Pilipino.
This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.